Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone sending green text messages. Let's get started. If you're texting someone and the messages are usually blue, but all of a sudden they switch to green, I'll show you how to fix that. As you can see here, I was texting myself. It started as a blue hi, and then suddenly switched to a green hi, meaning it was sent as a regular text message instead of iMessage. The first thing we're going to do is go into settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on apps, then find messages and tap on it. Now, there are two things we need to check here. First, scroll down until you see iMessage. Toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. This reactivates iMessage on your phone and often fixes the issue. Next, scroll down to Send as SMS. Toggle this off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. This helps reset how messages are sent, but it won't override iMessage. That's the first set of fixes. Now, the second thing we want to check is your internet connection. Open a web browser like Safari or Chrome. In the search bar, type speed test, then run the test. iMessages or blue bubbles are sent over the internet, not through your mobile carrier like Verizon or T-Mobile, etc. As long as you have a stable connection with a few megabits per second, iMessage should work fine. If that still doesn't fix the problem, the last thing we can try is resetting network settings. Go back to Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and if asked, your screen time passcode as well. Then confirm the reset. After completing all these steps, if your messages are still sending as green, the issue is most likely on the other person's iPhone. If their phone is in airplane mode, has Wi-Fi or mobile data turned off, is powered off, or has a dead battery, your message will send as a green text instead. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your phone. The other person just needs to fix iMessage on their device. That's how you fix iPhone sending green text messages. Thanks for watching.